Hi, it's Jack at JJB and this is our favourite improvements 2020. Peter, what's your favourite improvement 2020?
Laser free, I would say. Helps us speed up production. We don't have to keep swapping metal thicknesses like we do on that laser.
Okay, so we do one thickness type on here so we don't have to use the forklift to swap the metal thickness, right?
Yeah, makes it so much quicker and more efficient.
So remove the excess motion.
Yep.
Also, what's this chart you've got up there you done?
Chart helps us keep check how many pallets for each type of metal we have, which is good for when we need to order two different ones.
Okay, so we have a kanban on the metal,
yep.
and this is an overview of how many tons.
Yep.
So, for instance, 2 mil galvanised, 24 tons.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, brilliant. Fantastic improvements.
Thank you.
Swabik, what's your favourite improvement 2020?
This is my favorite improvement of this year. This is QR code system for ordering the powder coating. So we just scan the QR codes, we send the email to the office, and that's it done.
Okay, fantastic. So it makes the process very simple. So you scan that, it emails the office, and you slide that to show it's been ordered. And when it gets delivered, you'll move that back.
Yep.
Fantastic. Chris, what's your favourite improvement 2020?
One of my favourite improvements is our spray booth. As we're not wet spraying booth. As we're not spraying much, and we had never had any proper place to do it. Right now we do. So designed by us and built by us in here, so we can easily place the item, rotate it, spray it, get it out. Works amazing.
It's fantastic. How long did it take you to design?
Well, it was quite a few days to work out what to do with it, but in the end it's here and it's worked amazing. Also, one of my favourite improvements in here, as we've been working on it, when we are degreasing any parts, always we used to like tip off the bottle and wipe it on. These days we just spray it on it and wipe it off wherever we head, and it's worked very well.
Okay, so you've got everything down here, everything that you need.
Got everything: paint, gloves, spinners, bit of masking tape spare, different gun.
Fantastic. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
This is my best improvement, a conveyor system. So we unload the lasers onto the conveyor because the folding department's at the far end of the building. So we remove excess motion and trolleys and all that just by unloading laser onto here and pushing the start button. And off it goes. So I can continue with my work that I was doing and not have to worry about that. So it goes round the corner. As you can see, it's a far line goes up the far end of the workshop. Sam, what's your favourite improvement 2020?
Our new stamp.
Why is that?
Because it brands all our own boxes that we make ourselves in-house.
Very good. So it's quick and easy to do, right?
Yep.
Give us an example. That's fantastic. And what else? Is you working on any other improvements?
Our whole area has just been racked out with all new racking, so now we can store all our own boxes that we're cutting.
Yeah, and you've been doing it. How long have you been working on that improvement?
2 months so far.
Oh wow. You got plenty to do.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Jim, what's your favourite improvement?
My favourite improvement is our new disposable kanbans that I will generate once the stock system tells me they are low. Then once the product makes its way around back to me, I can simply book it back in by scanning the barcode.
Fantastic. And what's the coloured dots mean?
So if we sell a product that needs to be shipped same day, I will give it a red dot so everyone in the factory knows it's urgent, and a green dot means that we are on a green week and it needs to be produced this week. If it's left in the workshop till the following week, it will be a blue week, which means it's late.
Okay, fantastic. Jake, what's your favourite improvement 2020?
So it's all of the new labelling and all the new racking and location numbers in this part of the warehouse. So previously this area was a complete mess and it would take several hours to pack this area. Now you can do the whole thing in less than 20 minutes.
Okay, fantastic. So what have we done that's different from anyone else, you feel?
I feel the pictures definitely help things. I feel that the grouping of things by product type definitely speeds it up.
Okay, fantastic. So we removed the excess motion from a big packing area into a small condensed aisle. Everything laid out where it's needed.
There's a definite speed improvement as well.
Phil, what's your favourite improvement 2020?
My favourite improvement 2020 would be a combination of the shipping wall and moving my desk from the office to out here.
Okay. So let's, do you want to tell us about the shipping wall?
Yes, shipping wall. So previously we used to run all the invoices off for various orders, and we'd have them just in stacks on the desk. But now we have sections for each relevant thing. So we've got a section for Amazon Prime brackets, and then for Amazon Prime other items, and then we've got our own version of Prime, and then less important orders below.
So it speeds up picking, packing?
Yeah, it's much faster now. The packing team, they know they can go to a certain section on the wall and pick up what they need, as opposed to having to flip through invoices.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. Kieran, what's your favourite improvement?
This is my favourite improvement of 2020. It's my brand new assembly table. Before we had a 6 foot by 4 foot table. It was placed here. It was very big, not good to have, non-mobile, just didn't need it. So me and Jack come up with the idea to build a mobile trolley with some wheels so we can move around freely. Have our keyholes in here so we can put attachments in there if and when needed. And then I upcycled some rollers underneath here to make a trolley filled with the tools that I'll need for my job, with the Kaizen Chrome from Fast Cut.
That's a premium, that's the best cutting I've ever seen, Kieran. How'd you do that, with a knife?
With a knife, yeah. Traced it, went round it, done a good job of it.
Really nice job.
So yeah, this saved me a lot of time because I can just work from here, push it straight onto here, assemble what I need. And then I've done a further improvement on here. So I've got my drill when I need it, my rivet gun, then put the little foam bits on here so it doesn't damage these. And my rivets here. Nice and mobile, nice handle.
Fantastic, really good, I like that. The area's looking great.
Thanks. I take pride in my work.
Okay, thanks Kieran. Thanks for watching our 2020 favourite improvements. It's been a great year for some big improvements, and next year we're going to be working on more focus on the 8 wastes and the improvement criteria, and improving people basically. We're due to hire a lot more people in the new year, and they need to get on board with the lean train, and we are going to be really focused 100% on making it a better place. As you can see in the video, which I'm showing now, there's still a long way for us to go. We still have a lot of waste involved in what we're doing, and there's still a lot of areas that we still need to 3S and work upon, but it's all in process. Everyone's on board, and every day we're continually improving and making things better. So I'm going to let the video roll out now, and it's a quick tour of our lean progress. We've been doing lean for 2.5 years now, and it has had some stalled moments on the way, but like I said, now we're 100% focused on getting that back on track and making some fantastic changes to people and our processes, and improving the quality of our products. This is a fantastic bracket I think Chris made for holding the press brake tool in, all in a fashion where you can easily see it, so it's great visual control on that. We have all the tools lined up ready to go, and even the cleaning products, cloths and even arrows which clearly indicate what needs clean and how to do that. I didn't prep the area or tell anyone I was going to be shooting a video, so this is literally a live video of how the factory operates. Like I said, it's to a good standard, but there's still a lot of waste that we need to eliminate. So now we are leaving the production area and going through to into the pre-packing and the powder coating areas. So we have 2 powder coating booths and 4, there's 2 double ovens on the left there. So we have 4 ovens in total. So we do quite small batches and it works very well for us. So the turnaround time on small batches of products works quite well. And we manufactured that in-house all of ourselves. Again, this racking on the left and the right is storing our cardboard packaging. And we sneak in here to see what's going on, and we see swabik cleaning. So on the right we have his tables with everything set up, gloves, mask, everything he needs. And that's a lot of improvements which these guys have made themselves. This is Sam in a new area which is pre-packing. Also, we've started to manufacture our own cardboard boxes, so we're a bit tight on space, and this will allow us to store less packaging and make just what we need when we need it, and it's a very flexible system. Our goal for next year is to manufacture at least 70% of our packaging. Again, this is a QR code system we use for ordering the boxes, as seen earlier with swabik for ordering the powder coat, which works very well for products which can be difficult to do 2-box system with. So if we've got a colour which 1 box of powder may last us a year, we find it's not quite right to store a box for a year. So there's all our colours of powder coats which are kept in stock. So we're going through now into the next building, which is our shipping area. So this is about a year-old improvement. This is a flow racking we installed for a particular type of product which goes out in quite high volumes. So we're manufacturing them in the summer months just in time, and they get fed from powder coating where we've just been into the back of this rack, and we don't disturb the person who's packing. Also the packaging and boxes up above, which gets refilled throughout the day so they can work without stopping. This is a 2-bin system nut and bolt rack which we took inspiration from Ryan at CT Matters, and it's worked very well. We've put a QR code in the back of the box which we scan when it's emptied, and into the blue hooks on the right which shows it's been ordered. Again, that emails the office orders it. When the bolts come in they get refilled. In the new year this whole area is going to be basically redone. It's all going to be taken out, and there's going to be a big flow racking system which will replace all these racking aisles, and that will be fed from the back, again from the powder coating and pre-packing area. If you look back at my original video of our lean journey 2.5 years ago, you'll see all of this very, very different. This is our current warehouse. Again, it's not in a good place. This is probably the worst area we have, and again this smaller area which we've started to work on, and in the next kind of 6 months they're both going to be sorted. This is an external workshop we have, and this is for wiring and laser cutting acrylic. This side of the business is quite slow at the moment due to COVID, but we still have this building. It's done to quite a good standard, but still, you know, we need to get that going next year. And that's pretty much summed up the end of the video. So thanks for watching. That's our tour and our best improvements of 2020. And there you have it. We're working very hard, and next year should be a blowout year for us.
and there's our forklift. It's good as the day we bought it, or even better. So yep, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Any questions, let me know.